Hello, I am Professor Landge SS, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this video, we are going to study electric drives, basic block diagram of electric drives, advantages of electric drives, and applications of electric drives. So, what is a drive? There are various industrial and domestic applications where it is required to control the motion. So, a system which is used for motion control is called as drive. In drives, there are various mechanisms where the mechanical energy is required. So, drives consist of prime movers which impart mechanical energy to these mechanisms. Now, what type of prime movers are used in drives? So, the prime movers used in drives are electric motors, steam engine, hydraulic motors, diesel or petrol engines. The electric drives are the drives where electric motors are used as a prime mover. The electric motors converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, and this mechanical energy is given to the various mechanisms in a process control. Now let us see the basic block diagram of electric drives. So basic block diagram of electric drives consists of various equipments. Now what are those equipments? So the first one is source, AC or DC source, then power modulator, then electric motor, load, sensing unit, control unit, and the input provided to the control unit. Now let us study one by one each equipment used in the electric drive system. So the first equipment is a load. So what is a load? So load is a machinery designed to accomplish a given task. So if we take the example of fan, pump, washing machine, drilling machine, then all these are the loads. Generally, the load requirement is specified in terms of speed and torque demand. Now the next equipment is motor, electric motor. So in electrical drives, with either AC motors or DC motors are used, and these are used to give the mechanical input to the loads. Now depending upon the load torque requirement, the motor selected may be AC motor or the DC motor. But while selecting a motor, it is very necessary that the motor should be selected according to the speed torque characteristic requirement of a load. So depending upon the speed torque characteristic requirement of a load, the motor is selected. Then the next equipment is power modulator. Now power modulators are basically the power converters which are used to perform various functions in electric drives. So what are the functions which the power modulators are performing in the electric drives? So the first function of power modulator is it modulates flow of power from the source to the motor in such a way that the motor provides speed torque characteristic required by the load. So the power modulator will decide what type of speed torque characteristic should be generated by the motor as per the requirement of the load. Now the second function of power modulator is it restricts source and motor currents within permissible value during transient operations. Now the various transient operations in the drives are the starting operation, braking operation, and speed reversal operation. So power modulators, these are basically used to control the current within permissible limit within these transients during these transient operations. The next function of the power modulator is it converts electrical energy of the source in the form suitable to the motor. So it means that if we are using a DC motor in a drive and the source is AC source, then power modulators are used to convert AC power to the DC power, and then this DC power is fed to the motor. Now the next function of power modulator is it is used to select the mode of operation of a motor in a drive. The motor used in a drive, it is operating in two modes. One is the motoring mode and second is the braking mode. The power modulators will decide in which mode the motor should operate during a particular function. So power modulators will decide whether the motor is to be operated in motoring mode or braking mode. Now next device used in the electric drives is sensing unit. Now sensing unit, these are used to sense certain drive parameters such as motor current and speed. Now these parameters, these are used basically for protection purpose, or these are used for closed loop operation of a drive. Now the next device which is used in a drive is a control unit. Now control unit, it is basically needed to control the operation of a power modulator. So control units are generating a controlling signals which are used to trigger the power electronic switches in a power modulator, and according to that the output voltage and current of a power modulator is modified. Generally the control units, they operate at much lower voltage and power level, and hence they are fed with a separate input source which is providing much lower voltage and lower power. So the input block which is shown over here is indicating the input source which is used to provide power to the control units, and this input source is providing very low voltage and power which is used in a control unit. And the last and very important is source, AC or DC. So it is indicating the source available in the premises. The source may be a single phase AC source or three phase AC source, or the source available in the premises may be the DC source, and this source is given to the power modulator as an input source, and according to the motor available or used in the particular application, this source is converted in from AC to DC, or from fixed DC to variable DC, or from DC to AC according to the motor type of a motor used in the electric drives. So this is all about the block diagram and the use of various equipments used in the electrical drives. Now let us see what are the advantages of electrical drives over the other prime movers which may be used to give the mechanical input to the drives. So generally the electric drives are preferred, or electric motors are preferred as a prime mover in drives. Now why these electric motors are preferred as a prime movers or in a drive? So the first advantage of using electric drive is that these drives are available with a wide range of power, torque and speed. So the electric motors which are used as a prime mover in a drive, these are available in a wide range of power, torque and speed. The second advantage is that they do not pollute the environment, like in case of steam engines or diesel engines or petrol engines. The use of electric motor will not produce any pollution, and hence they will not pollute the environment. The next advantage is it doesn't require the motor to heat up as well as refuel like other type of main movers. So if we see steam engines, then before starting the steam engine we need to heat it up. Or if we take the example of petrol engine or diesel engines, then we need to refuel these engines, and then only we can use these engines. But in case of electric motor, it is not necessary to heat up the motor or refuel the motor like other engines used in a system. Next advantage is that presently the AC motors are utilized within changeable speed drives due to the development of semiconductor converters. So if we see previously, the variable speed applications are dominated by DC motors only, and the AC motors were used only for providing the constant speed torque characteristic to the load. So wherever the load requires constant speed torque characteristic, then in that case we can use AC motors. But if the load requires variable speed torque characteristic, then in that case the DC motors were only used previously. But nowadays, due to the development in the semiconductor converters, we can use AC motors also in a variable speed applications. So use of semiconductor converters made the control characteristic more flexible, and hence it is possible to reshape the characteristic of a drive to meet the load requirement, and hence we can use AC motors also in a variable speed applications. Next advantage is they have flexible characteristic because of electrical braking usage. So flexible characteristic is going to be provided with the use of semiconductor converters, and as per the requirement of the load, we can modify the speed torque characteristic of the motor, and hence use of electric drives is much more advantageous in case of drives as compared to the other prime movers which are used. Now next one is applications of electrical drives. Now there are various domestic and industrial applications where we are using these electric drives. So if we see these applications, then these applications are the electric motors used in factories, textile mills, fans, transportation system, pumps, robots, etc. Now these drives are also used in electric traction system for transportation of material from one place to another place. Now these electric tractions includes the buses, electric trains, trolleys and vehicles that are power driven with the solar system nowadays. These are used in spinning machines, conveyor systems, agitators, extruders, draw lines, blowers in yarns and in cranes. These drives are also used like main movers for engines like petrol or diesel, turbines like gas or steam, and motors like hydraulic or electric. So these are the various applications of electrical drives. Thank you.